My Skyline does not have an engine. That is one of many problems we do have with this car. So let me show you what I actually bought.
Something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning.
I used up all my savings and a little bit more to acquire this car. Without an engine, it's not road legal. It is stripped of all interior that we can see. Some cars just stick with us from childhood. For me, it was a Skyline. So when I found this on Marketplace, I knew I just had to find my trailer and go and pick it up. And here it is. But first, we have to deal with some consequences of our actions. Okay, let's start with the obvious one. There is no engine in this car. There were a V8 from Chevy from the 1970s, which is not optimal and not glamorous on these beautiful beasts. So we need something new, something more JDM. And that is not a 2JZ, but we're gonna figure it out. And as you see, there is no windows. Of course, that is not a requirement, because we do got some nets that we can use on here, but it sucks when it rains, and we're gonna probably figure it out. And since we are here, the bodywork is questionable. The past owners have sanded down and painted it, but you see, it's not smooth or anything. It is the first time he was doing it, and he also made some wide body kit on his own, which is fine, I don't really mind, but the paint could be better. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint it, but I kind of want to paint it and then paint with a brush, something fancy. I don't know, we're gonna see. All right, the system is fully built up. Like, we got radiator here in the back, I told you last video. We got the fuel down there. It's really stripped from all weight possible. I feel that is a bit unfortunate, because I want to keep the most of the car as possible. But we don't get everything we want for Christmas. We got some fuel pump over there. So we do got a lot. Here's a firewall in case something happens. These things are two different places. And back to the interior. These are fully custom. It's a big place for our gearbox. Gearbox, I don't know what it's called. Gearbox hole down here. So this whole part is unoriginal, but everything else is then original. We got some nice headlights there and down here. We do got some parts for the gearbox and just a whole bunch of other shit that we may. Here's a battery place. So we do got a lot of work, but it's still a lot of work already done. He may not be beautiful in all angles, which is mine, and I can use this not to show you my life, but show you my interest and how I deal with my interests, such as my interest in cars. I hope that can resonate with what you like to do, and that is why I created this channel, to show you this life. I hope you can join it by pressing subscribe. So what now? Why am I telling you this? That is because we are gonna order an engine, and I'm gonna document the whole journey of when we get it, when we are gonna mount it, what we're doing, what we are thinking, because this is not something I'm any good at. I'm not a professional doing this. I'm just a guy who loves working on cars and try to create something. Trying to build a life around this. And I want to do whatever it takes. So I bought this car. And our goal is to create a drivable car that we can drift on Losna in winter of 2026 to to 2027. That is the whole goal. If we can do it any faster than that, that will be just awesome. So I want to create a series of our process doing this, both so you can learn and just have something to binge watch when you are eating your noodles. And man, this is gonna be a turning point on this channel. So I hope you can be here every step of the way.